Well, okay. So I think that sums it all up on this project here. I have the fan fully put back together, and now I have it put in the window. Looks really, really cool. The blades were still off balance, and I had to do some work with it. I think I may have straightened it out this time. So, well, let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Hopefully, this will be the moment of truth and a dream realized, and not the moment of wrecking. So, here's the new switch on it. New cord. I thought that strategy worked out really well. Blades cleaned up really, really well. Even better than what I thought it would, including both the front and the back guard. Lasko emblem is nice and shiny. Cleaned up good, and now it's in great shape. I think this restoration came in full circle. New cord. New switch. New oil. New life. And I couldn't be any happier. There's only one thing left to do. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up and see it run. Okay, here we go. Here is the high speed. Alright. It's running very smoothly. Very well balanced on the high speed. Got it on the exhaust and it's pulling in some air through the window there. This thing is very powerful. Okay, let's now knock it down to the low. Okay, so minimum vibration on the low speed. Still a little noisy, but I think I can deal with it. This wasn't easy, so I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm not going to mess with it anymore. Maybe I may need to tighten up the blade a little bit more. But I couldn't run it on the low speed at all because the vibration was so bad. Hold it down on the back guard here, the noise diminishes a little bit. It's kind of quiets down when you turn it around. I think I can get used to this, but I'm satisfied. I'm happy. Alright. Okay, now we'll turn it off and get the spin down. Big improvement. Alright, so I think that pretty much does it with this one. Really cool fan for spring, and even this is going to be a really good fall fan too. So I'm gonna see what I can do to fix the noise there. Maybe I need to tighten up that blade a little bit more. So other than that, I'm happy with how this restoration turned out. Really cool fan. I'm happy to have it. And shout out to my bro for getting this for me. This was a big treat and a really cool present. Now I can start using it. Well, I hope that you all have enjoyed the restoration of this Lasko window fan, and I hope that you all enjoyed. Comments and a subscribe is always meaningful. And until the next one, till the next project, I will see you then.